Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's early morning here in Stratford-upon-Avon. The air is still, the river is quiet and the first light is just beginning to touch the water. Join me for a gentle walk along the River Avon. Let the adventure begin. that brings us to the end of this morning's adventure. The sun is up and Stratford is coming alive. Thank you for sharing this peaceful morning with me. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.